Sudarshanam Srinivasachar has asked an interesting question. Why there are color band for some numbers in the slides? Because those are the slides where I wanted to tell that you have to be careful with the form. Chance for making mistakes in that form. Interesting question. Anil Kirtana, she has asked the question, is Shandavati an Anunasika Sandhi? Very good. It's an Anunasika Sandhi. Yes, you are right. Now we will go for the oral questions. First, I will lower all the hands. And again, if those who have questions, please raise the hand. Sorry for that. Raghu Kumar MC.
नमस्कारः महोदय।
यथा
क्रमवाचकशब्देषु प्रथमः प्रथमौ प्रथमाः।
There is one is like Rama Shabda, but there is one extra form like Prathame Prathamaha. For Prathame, there is one Bahuvachana form. His extra form is there.
But my doubt was प्रथमः शिष्यः अथवा प्रथमः बालकः। प्रथमे बालके कथं भवति एकवचनम् एव तत्र एकबालकः एव प्रथमः नित्य एकवचनं नास्ति वा?
I didn't understand.
प्रथमः प्रथमौ बालकौ कथं द्वौ बालकौ स्तः प्रथमम् is only first boy. First, how to say that one? I am asking. प्रथमौ बालकौ.
Two boys who have come first. Prathamau balakau. Like for example, suppose there is a group concept. In English also, you have this group concept. Okay, it is less like Sarva Shabda only. Why? Two boys, like for example.
I got this referring to a group. Okay, Pratamaha Trayaha Balakaha. It's like that. Okay. So that means this is not Nitya Ekavachanam. Okay.
The Kramavachaka Nitya Ekavachana is not there.
In Kramavachaka, it's Trishu Vachaneshu. धन्यवादः.
Suman Bhagini.
Namaskaram Mहोदय. मम प्रश्नः आसीत् तत्र चतुष् षष्टिः चतुः 50 इति भवान् उक्तवान्, किन्तु अहं तु विपरीतमपि दृष्टवती। इत्युक्ते चतुः षष्टिः तद् कथम् इति जानामि, किन्तु चतुष्पञ्चाशत् कथं तत्र मूर्धन्यषकारः आगच्छति?
चतुष्पञ्चाशत् इति भवती दृष्टवती वा?
आम् सत्यं।
कुत्र दृष्टवती?
भाषाप्रवेश प्रथमभाग, गीतासोपानं प्रथमभाग। चतुः षष्टिः चतुष् षष्टिः द्वौ अपि सम्यक् तत् अवगच्छामि। चतुः 50 अपि अवगच्छामि, किन्तु चतुष् तत्र मूर्धन्यषकारः कथम् आगच्छति इति न जानामि। मूल्यं नास्ति खलु, मूर्धन्यषकारः अस्ति, चतुष्पञ्चाशत् अस्ति।
तत् प्रायः तद् द्रष्टव्यम्. I will have to clarify that. What is the sutra? And I don't think so. चतुष्पञ्चाशत्.
भाषा प्रवेश पुस्तक अस्ति चेत् पृष्ठसंख्या अस्ति 240.
I will check that and come back to you.
And then मुद्रणदोष अस्ति इति चिन्तितवती, अतः गीतासोपानम् अपि दृष्टवती, तत्र अपि समान एव। अपि च अन्यः प्रश्नः अपि अस्ति, विभक्तिरूपाणि दृष्टवान् खलु, तत्र हे द्वितीयम् अस्ति, तत्र हे द्वितीय
एकनिमिषम् I'll just see that.
सम्बोधनं रूप तत्र मकारः कथम्?
एकनिमिषं, तद् दोषः एव।
अस्तु,
एकनिमिषम् अहं पश्यामि. Is it हे द्वितीयम्? Sambodhana he dvitiya is there, no?
मम दोष किं क्षम्यताम्.
Probably you would have seen Dvitiyam, or you would have confused with Dvitiya Vibhakti. Dvitiyam is Dvitiya Vibhakti.
अस्तु, अहं चिन्तितवती हे द्वितीयम् इति दृष्टवती इति. नास्ति चेत् सम्यक् एव. धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः. Suman Bagini had an interesting question. Ravi Kumar Peri.
Namaste Mahodaya. Mahodaya, in the Mahanyasa, it comes as Prathama, Dvitiyeshu, Shrayadhvam, Dvitiya, Tritiyeshu. And from Tritiya, it goes to Chaturtha, and Chaturtha, Panchameshu. I don't understand how the Chaturtha comes out there. Panchama, Shashteshu, Shrayadhvam. That's how the series goes. Would you know?
I have not studied Bhashya of Vedas, sir. Sorry.
Kshamita.
Sorry for that. Subhavi.
Ram Mahodaya. Mahodaya, 1983, how do we write? How do we say that? 19.
You want to tell the year?
Yes.
You want a year. So there is in the year, suppose you want to tell 1983, then it is a different way of telling. If you want to tell 1983, Treshi Ekona Vimshati Shatottare. Ekona Vimshati Shatottare. Treshiti Tame Varshe. That is Ekona Vimshati Shatottare. 90, because you are telling 19 means you are referring 1983, 1900 plus 83. That is what you are referring. So Ekona Vimshati Shatottare. Treshiti Tame Varshe.
Okay.
That is one way of telling.
Oh, if it is not an ordinary number.
Ordinary number means you have to say you have to go for 1983. Yeah, 1 second. 983. So Triashi Tyadika Ekona Shatam. Ekona Vimshati Shatam. We have to use that Ekona Vimshati Shatottara only.
Same.
Same. There is one more method. I'll look at. I forgot what it is. I will just let you know. Tomorrow I will let you know.
Astu Mahodaya.
Kishore Acharya.
Dhanyavad, sir. Okay, I have a question. I saw somebody's 150th birthday was called Shardha Shatatama Janmadivasham. So for 125th, can I call Shapada Shatatama?
Shardha Shatatama.
Yeah, Shardha Shatatama. I saw that it was written. That's why I'm saying that guy, that gentleman was a celebrity here for his 150th birthday. They're saying for the celebration, they said Shardha Shatatama Janmadivasham.
That is grammatically whether it is correct. We have to check it because Sardha is only half.
Yep.
So 100 they are assuming it as full and telling Sardha Shatatama. I doubt whether it is correct. So ideal way to set it is Panchashatadika Shatatama is the correct word for 150.
Okay.
So Panchavimshati Uttara Shatatama for 125th.
Okay, my other question is, that is from yesterday's class. Sorry, not yesterday, for the Tadhit. See, the problem is, Adi Briddhi is no problem. But the problem is at the ending. See, for example, Lakshayam Apatya Puna, Lakshaya Apatya Puman. Laksha, Lakshi, Lakshaya, what you do?
That depends on the sutra. So you have to understand the sutra and the pratyaya which is coming. So suppose Laksha is a Stri. So if Stri Bhyo Dhak is the sutra, Dhak means Yaya should come. So which means Lakshayaha.
For example, like when you have Binata, it was Bainateya. But Shumitra, it was Shaumitri.
There it is in pratyaya. Pratyaya is different.
Yes. That how to decide which pratyaya?
Only you have to read Panini. That's all. Panini and Ashtadhyayi you have to read. There are about 116 to there are about 800 sutras in Tadita Prakarana of Panini. 600 to 800 sutras are there. Once we that exact all those things we have to study, then only we will be able to master that.
Otherwise, just follow what is written in the books and similar.
Yes. Until you learn the sutras, you will have to follow what is told.
Dhanyavada Mahodaya.
Dhanyavada.
क्षम्यतां महोदय, तत्र सार्ध अथवा सपाद आगच्छति चेत् तत्र इदानीं वयं वदामः खलु सार्ध सप्तवादने सपाद सप्तवादने, तत्र पाद न भवति, सपाद अस्ति खलु.
Sapada is 15 minutes. One pada, 1 quarter. Pada is quarter.
After 7. So सार्ध शतम् इत्युक्ते भवितुं शक्नोति खलु. 150.
How do you know that full is 100? You are taking 100 as a full, then only if you take 100 as a full year, see they are all taking 100 as a full number.
90.
Now Vedokta Dirghayusha is 121. So how do you take 100 is something is a questionable. If you take something as a whole, you can tell that sapada, quarter of that is quarter, 25%, ardha is 50%, padona is 75%, like that you can tell.
So how do we say Sardha Saptavadane is 30 minutes after 7?
Because that is because you are taking one round the clock as one full thing.
Satyam.
So you are taking 60 as one full. Here, how can you, is there a pramana to take 100 as a full thing?
Oh, I see. So just because we say Sardha Shatam, we're not saying 100 plus half of 100. That it does not imply that.
It does not imply that in the case of 150th year and other things is what I think.
Okay.
Whereas in the case of a clock, we know that after 61st minute is the next hour.
Correct.
We know that it is complete. That is one full round. That is why we use that terminology.
Astu. Dhanyavada.
Mahodaya.
Sudarshanacharya.
रघुकुमारः पुनः आगच्छामि. यथा 1920-तमवर्षे तत् you said Ajike also you put like I think 1983 you said 83 एकोनविंशत्युत्तर
Shatottare. I said Shatottare. I said.
Shatottare. That how you are putting that uttare त्र्यशीत्युत्तर एकोनविंशतितमे वर्षे इति आगच्छति खलु. How can you said twice? I want to learn that also. That's all. I'm not finding fault. I'm trying to learn the second version also.
Second version I'll tell tomorrow. Annapurna Nori.
Ram Mahoday. My question was also like how to say today's date. Like today's day, it's 28th April 2021. So it's we can say April Ashtavimshatihi and
April Masasya Ashtavimshati Dinankaha.
Oh, April Masasya. April Masasya Ashtavimshatihi Dinankaha.
Date.
Okay. Dinankaha Ekavimshatyadhika-द्विसहस्रम or Sahasratatam. No, what is?
Dvisahasratama Varshaha 2021. That is the second form. Ekavimshatyadhika-द्विसहस्र. But we can also say that Vimshati Shatottara Ekavimshati Varsha.
Oh, okay.
Vimshati 2000. विंशति शतोत्तर एकविंशति वर्षम्.
ओके, धन्यवादः महोदय.
धन्यवादाः. देविका रवि.
Suprabhadam Mahodaya. I have 3 questions, Mahodaya. First one is Vimshatihi, you said it is like Matihi Shabdam from 20 to 99, and you said it will follow Nitya Strilinga Ekavachana forms. So when it comes to Trimshat, Chatvar Rimshat, they will all follow Sarit Shabdaha.
They'll follow Sarit Shabda.
Sarit Shabdaha. Okay. And for 100, you told it is Nitya Napumsakalinga Ekavachanam. What is the Pradipatikam we have to use for that, Mahodaya? For
Shata.
It's like a Rama Shabda.
Like Phala Shabda. Napumsakalinga.
Phala Shabda. Astu Mahodaya.
Jnana Shabda. Phala Shabda.
Phala Shabda. Astu Mahodaya. And one more, Mahodaya. So when we say Dinankaha, that is Akaranta Pullinga Padam. When we have to write it in Vibhakti form.
Yes.
It is Akaranta Pullinga Padam. Dinankaha.
Yes.
Astu Mahodaya.
Third question. You said you had 3 questions. All questions over.
Mahodaya, one is for Vimshatihi.
Okay.
The other one was Shatam, and the third one was this Dinankaha.
Okay. Raghu Kumar. Raghu Kumar, you have question?
नास्ति महोदय, उक्तम्
अभवत् वा? मीनाक्षी श्याम.
Ram, sir. Sir, what do we call for one pair of shoes like that, sir?
Words like yoga, mithuna, dvivachana, like upanahau. Suppose you say one pair of shoes. Dvivachana can be directly used. Upanahau is there, no? In Sanskritam you have dvivachanam, so directly you can use dvivachanam.
Okay, sir.
Ram.
Srinivasa,
you can use the word Yugalam over there.
Yugalam.
You can use the word Yugalam.
Yugalam, yes. Yugala Geetam. Yugalam can be used. Yugalam, all these words can be used. Yugalam can be used. Yugalam is a very good word.
Mahodaya, can we use Dvayam also?
Dvayam can be used, but Yugala is a better word. In we have Pramana in Bhagavatam where Yugala Geetam is there.
The other thing I want to know was, when we talk about this year, 2021 is the year. We also abbreviatedly say as 2021. Maybe that's a modern this thing. So similarly, is there a way of abbreviated reference to that year or a number therefore?
See, first is Ankanam Vamato Gatihi. Sudarshanacharya, somebody asked the same question. So Ankanam Vamato Gatihi is the rule. That means we have to start from the unit place and go. So this 2021, what I told, Ekona Vimshati Shatottare, what I told is the modern way. I also told the modern way of telling this one. As you rightly said, this is the modern way. We will have to go for the ancient way, which is the traditional way. So what is the traditional way? I will just refer one book and come back to you tomorrow on that.
Okay.
I just want to be sure.
Even the concept of these units, tens, hundreds, etc., have emerged from the Sanskrit mathematical.
100%. Yes. Because Avankanam Vamato Gatihi. There is a rule.
That's the reason that prompted me to ask this. Okay.
There is a rule that we have to go from here. So based on that only we do. I will. There is an article written by Sri Ramana Sharma. I will just refer and tell you that.
So therefore, even the pattern of writing the numerics as right aligned, which we follow, also starts from here. Okay. Beautiful. Excellent. Dhanyawad.
Correct, sir. Dhanyawad. So I hope all the questions are answered. I know this is a very important topic, especially the Sankhya. And to obtain the knowledge of Sankhyas, we have to refer a lot of books to bring it together. So it is not a easy topic to bring it together.
Shamyata Mahoday, when we say in English last but one question or last but one student, is there a pada in Sanskritam to say
yes,
that?
Upontimam.
Can you please repeat?
Upontima. Upa plus antima. So upontima.
And how can we use this? Upontima prashnaha.
Upontimaha prashnaha.
Upontimaha prashnaha. Or it also goes with Strilinga and Napunsaklinga?
Shwaha upontima kaksha bhavishyati.
Oh, okay. Dhanyavad Mahoday.
Dhanyavadah.
Mahoday, aksharaणां कृते तु उपधा इति वक्तुं शक्नुमः खलु?
तत् अलोन्त्यात् पूर्व उपधा तत् भिन्नं.
तत् भिन्नं किम्?
तत् अल् इति अस्ति किल, तद् पाणिनीय डेफिनिशन्. तत् एतत् लास्ट् बट् वन् इति तत्र क्रमवाचकमध्ये सा पृष्टवती. दट्स् ए कामन् लैंग्वेज वर्ड शी इस् आस्क्ड.
ओ अस्तु, बट् उपधा इस्
उपधा इस् अ व्याकरण शास्त्र वर्ड and that is for only varnas.
Astu. Dhanyavad.
Mahodaya, is upa plus antima avyayi bhava samasa? Upa plus antima upon.
I'll check one second.
Ram, I just have one doubt. When we write 80th birthday, 2nd June, so the TH, ND, we use these things to denote 80th, 2nd, etc.
Ashiti tamaha.
So the tamaha performs that role.
Tamaha performs that role. That is why it is called kramavachaka.
Okay.
So upontima or upantima. So upantima we can use. Upantima shabda we can use. Last but one is upantima. It is not upontima, it is upantima.
So can it be taken as equivalent to a penultimate? In English we say penultimate paragraph, penultimate sentence we use.
English I don't know, sir. Last but one. Last but one. If it is indicating last but one.
Last but one, upantima can be used. Dhanyavad.
Upantima. Upagatam antimam.
Upagatam antimam.
Upagatam antimam upantimam.
Dhanyosmi.
धन्यवादः.
महोदय, तत् विशेषणं भवति चेत् अव्ययी भावसमासः न भवितुं शक्नोति खलु?
तद् अव्ययी भावसमासः इति अहं न उक्तवान्, सा उक्तवती, अहं न उक्तवान्.
अस्तु.
If it is अव्ययी भावसमासः, so upagatam antimam, I will refer and tell. Mostly it is अव्ययी भावसमासः, then it will be upantima kaksha. Even for this one I will refer that and tell. So regarding the upantima I will tell tomorrow. Dhanyavadah. Swasti prajabhyah paripalayantam nyayena margena mahimahishah go brahmanebhyah shubhamastu nityam lokas samastas sukhino bhavantu.
Dhanyavadah sir. Ram.
So we have two more.
Dhanyavadah sir. Ram sir.
Two more classes we have. Request all of you to attend both the classes.
Dhanyavadah Ram sir.
Dhanyavadah sir. Ram.
Dhanyavadah Mahodaya.
Dhanyavadah Mahodaya.